हॅलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम बॅक. ज्ञानसागराच्या भेटीसाठी चला प्रवाही होऊया. You're watching Katha Sarita, an initiative presented to you by Regional Academic Authority, Mumbai. Today is 19th September 2021. Day is Sunday. Today's Panchang, Bhadrapad Shukla Chaturdashi, Shalivahan Shake 1943. Let's go back to history and know more about today. On 19th September 1893, New Zealand became the first self-governing country in the world in which women had the right to vote in parliamentary elections. In the 2007 T20 World Cup, Yuvraj Singh, the sixer king of the cricket world, hit 6 sixes in an over. On September 19, 2000, Kannam Malleshwari won the bronze medal in women's 69 kg weightlifting, thus becoming the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Let's take a look at today's story. The title is Saving the Sparrow. Hiralal looked at the power line that ran across his village. His father had once told him that the line brought electricity to their homes. Quite often, Hiralal thought about following the power line to see where it went. He imagined the places he would see and the people he would meet. Most evenings, sparrows came to rest on the power line. They looked beautiful, sitting like little glass beads on a necklace. Seeing the birds, he wished he were one of them, so he could fly to strange lands. One morning, as Hiralal was cycling to school, he heard the loud twittering of the sparrows. Something was not right. He looked up to see that one of the sparrows was caught in the power line. It was hanging there, head down, desperately flapping its wings, but he did not know how he could help him. So Hiralal rode off to school. He hoped someone would save the sparrow. When he came back from school, he saw that the sparrow was still trapped. Its wings were spread, but they were not moving. Hiralal began to worry. What if it died? Hiralal ran into the house. Ma, help me. Pa, quick, come quickly. His parents rushed to his side. What happened? Tell us, they said. He told them about the sparrow. He pleaded with them to find a way to save it. But his father said, the power line is very high. How are we going to reach it? His mother screamed, it is too dangerous and I will not allow either of you to go near the wire. Hiralal was sobbing. His parents tried to comfort him. Nature has a way of protecting its own, said his father. There seemed to be little they could do. Hiralal got restless, but slowly he thought of a plan. If only the power could be turned off just for a minute. Ram Bharose, the maintenance guy, saw an 11-year-old boy waving to him. Hiralal told him about the bird. Ram Bharose scratched his head. Then he said, let's see, maybe the supervisor can help. He took Hiralal to a kind old man who was sitting at a desk. With tears in his eyes, he said, a sparrow is going to die because nobody will save it. Its foot is caught in the power line. If only you can switch off the power, we can take the bird down. Please, you must listen to me. The kind old man patiently listened to Hiralal. Son, switching off the power is not going to be easy. When the power goes off, all the machines in the factories stop working. Think of the hospitals. What will happen to a patient who is in the middle of an operation? He stopped and looked into the sad eyes of Hiralal. Then he said, son, tell me your name. Also, tell me where you live. He touched the boy's shoulder. I am so proud to have met a young boy with such a large heart. Now go back home. It's turning dark. Hiralal returned home. He felt sad and helpless. Sometime in the middle of the night, Hiralal woke up to loud noises. Oi Hiralal, is this where you live? Hiralal shot out of the house. His heart was racing. He saw 3 men. One of them was Ram Bharose. There was a power shutdown at the station. Ram Bharose and the 2 other men had to come to rescue the sparrow. Oi Hiralal, hurry and jump into the truck. Show us where the sparrow is. driver got the truck in position and got the extension ladder ready. The other man switched on his torch and held it up as Ram Bharose swung up the ladder. The light from the torch picked out the sparrow hanging on the wire. He carefully loosened the bird's claw that was caught in the wire and put the sparrow in his shirt pocket. The rescue had taken only a few minutes. Soon, Ram Bharose handed the sparrow to Hiralal. The bird lay quietly in his cupped hands. Suddenly, it jumped out of his hands. It spread its wings and began to fly. Hiralal would always remember this magical moment. So children, I hope you like this story. Please let us know your feedback in the comment section below. Also, share this story with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Let's meet tomorrow with another new episode. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.